Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. And I've got to say, I've really got to get something off my chest right now, yeah? Man like DJ Lab has done a mix of everyday junglers, and he's got it all over Beatport, Spotify, got it for sales. Take a man's tune, he's got the cheek to put original mix on it, right? Which is ridiculous. And like, to be honest, my music, I'm fed up of people taking my music and taking a piss out of it, and I'm not seeing no revenue from it. All them tunes that you see online right now, Spotify and flipping iTunes and all these places, I don't get no revenue from those tunes. None of my music, I'm not getting paid for any of my music online right now. And this is just another example of it. Unless it's on flipping my Bandcamp, and unless it's on flipping junglistdownload.com, I'm not getting paid for it. And this is a perfect example of people, in fact this is not even a perfect example, this is a worse example of people taking a piss, and it's an embarrassment to the jungle scene that people are going to be doing shit like this. And I'm telling you something now, yeah, I've got my CAE number, I'm registered with the PRS MCPS, and this is copyright infringement. This is IP, intellectual property rights infringement. When people take your tune, they remix it. And the thing is, I don't mind when people take a sample from one tune, from another genre, and put it back together and make a remix, yeah? But and I don't mind if someone's done a dub plate for their personal use, and playing it to themselves. But when people are taking your tune and putting it online for sale, that is taking a piss, bruv. And I have to flipping blaze up people online who are going to take the piss out of me and my music. Right? People like to take stuff, they like to flipping put tunes out, they don't give you credit for it. I've had it all, mate. I've had it all. And that's why I'm very sceptical about giving people my catalogue, my music, my stuff to press, because of arseholes like this. Right? So I'm putting a message out there right now. I'm very, very unhappy. Whatever it is called, the Lion Killer EP, that's going to come down. And if the MCPs don't go after his ass or take it down, it's going to get taken down. Right? So DJ Lab, if you're listening out there, bruv, do the right thing. Get that flipping tune taken off the internet. You're taking a piss, and this is going to be I'm making sure it's going to be an embarrassment to you, bruv, and your music career in the jungle scene. Take from one genre and make it into a jungle tune and fuse it. But don't rip off man's tunes or put it out there, think you could do a mix of it and stick it out there without their written permission. You're taking a piss. And that's a message to anyone else out there who's doing the same thing. Later.